Oh, he's climbing.
That's alright. We're going the other way.
Yeah.
So you're at 90 knots, 800 feet. It's okay. Copy the Delta. Downwind to land 25.
Yeah, to report final.
We'll go. Copy the Delta. So I'm flying a bit of a tight circuit, which is okay, because normally I fly real humongous ones.
Yeah, well, that's okay.
What's your altitude, Neil? Let's have a bit of height choice, sir. Thank you. So, we're looking for the farm.
Blackbushe, information, Golf Echo November, Tango Tango, at the pump, requesting information and taxi.
Turning left.
November
Checking anything on my glide slope, there's nothing there. Nothing to the right. We're going reds, blues, and greens.
1 for 25 left hand, 1
Flat down.
0, Golf Tango Tango.
Stop travelling.
Tango Tango, just a message, are you going to transit through Falmouth? Negative. Brilliant.
And Golf India Lima, we're entering the ATZ, squawking 7010.
Give him a logger report downwind.
Okay, India Lima.
They're over there somewhere then. That height a little bit on the low side, a bit of power on, so a little bit fast. Just bring the nose up just a smidge. Golf India Delta, final 25.
Delta runway 25, land on discretion, surface wind calm.
Landing Golf India Delta.
500.
Let's feel these flaps now, ready? Flaps going down, now. Flaps going down.
Feel them? Station, Golf Bravo, India, Charlie Whiskey, requesting taxi fuel.
Pitch the nose up a little bit.
Charlie Whiskey, Blackbushe information, relativity 5, taxi fuel.
Taxi fuel, Golf Charlie Whiskey.
Bit of turbulence over the trees.
Lovely.
Nice one, eh?
Nice one.
And we'll save the brakes, so we're coming off at Delta. Throttle fully closed. We can let go of the front wheel now. Time of landing, 40.
40.
Now normally I'd open the canopy at this point, but if we do that, your camera's going to go flying. Literally.
Take it out now.